Ever pondered the experience of working at a county fair? The thrill of the rides, the aroma of food wafting through the air, the sounds of laughter and excitement from fairgoers. It's a unique environment, but have you ever wondered what it would be like to be on the other side of the ticket booth? Working at a county fair can be a whirlwind of excitement, hard work, and unique experiences. Let's delve into what it's like to hold a job at one of these seasonal spectacles. Typically, county fair employment is seasonal, with the majority of work hours packed into a few bustling weeks of the year. The workday can range from 8 to 12 hours, often with the added unpredictability of weekend and evening shifts. It's not your typical 9-to-5 job, but the vibrant atmosphere of the fair more than makes up for the unconventional schedule. Labor at a county fair varies greatly depending on the role. You could be operating a ride, grilling up corn dogs, managing a game booth, or even helping to set up and tear down the fairgrounds. It's physical work, often outdoors, and the days can be long. But the hustle and bustle of the fair, along with the camaraderie of your fellow workers, can make the labor feel less like work and more like a dynamic, exciting experience. In terms of pay rates, they fluctuate based on the role and location. Entry-level positions often start at minimum wage, while more skilled roles or roles with more responsibility can offer higher pay rates. However, it's important to keep in mind that the experience of working at a county fair is about more than just the paycheck. It's about being a part of something bigger, contributing to a beloved community event, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. That brings us to the perks of working at a county fair. Beyond the paycheck, there are numerous benefits that come with the job. Free access to the fair during your off hours, discounts on food and games, and the opportunity to meet a diverse range of people are just a few of the potential perks. Not to mention, there's something truly special about watching the fair come to life each day and knowing that you played a part in making it happen. So, do you need experience or references to get a job at a county fair? Not necessarily. While previous experience can be beneficial, especially for more specialized roles, many fair jobs are entry-level positions that provide on-the-job training. A positive attitude, a willingness to work hard, and a commitment to customer service are often more important than a lengthy resume. In summary, working at a county fair is a unique experience that combines hard work, unconventional work hours, and a pay rate that varies by role. The perks include free access to the fair, discounts, and the satisfaction of being part of a beloved community event. No specific experience is required, making it an accessible opportunity for many. So if you're seeking a job that's out of the ordinary and full of excitement, consider stepping right up and joining the county fair team. It's more than just a job, it's an adventure.